Now, after some time, I'll sync the template status. As I can see in the pop-up, one status is updated and our template is now approved. So now we can proceed with the broadcasting. In the next step, we'll create a CSV file with all our contacts. So in the template, we have added two variables. So I will add another column for a variable which was for service, right? I will add another test entry. You can add up to 50,000 entries and broadcast. Here it is compulsory to add the country code, as this product could be useful to broadcast in foreign countries as well. So I'll add 91 followed by 10-digit country code. In the service, I'll mention ABC and XYZ. So this will be personalized for each number. The name and service will be there in the variable 1 and 2. I'll download this in the CSV format. Now I'll go back here. Next, go to the campaign section, create new campaign. Here you can give a name to the campaign. I'll give it test 1. In the drop down, I'll see all the verified or approved templates for this particular number. So each number needs to verify the template, and if you are using multiple numbers, you need to verify the template every time you are using a different number. So in the drop down, I'll be able to see the preview, the name which I gave to the template. I'll choose the first one. Here we can see in the preview, this was the template that we approved. I have two variables 1 and 2. Let's proceed. Next, here we have three options. In the contact section, I will be able to broadcast all the available contacts that are saved in the CRM. Same way, I can add segments for those saved contacts. In the CSV upload, I can upload a file and then broadcast. So here's the file that we created. It will automatically pick up all the contacts. Now, this is very important. In the phone number column, we need to map the column with the numbers and the country code. So in our case, we have named it number. So these three headers are actually the columns of your CSV sheet, right? So correctly map the number column with the country code. This is very important. So the system will understand which column has the data for WhatsApp. Now in the variable part, you can add a static text as well. So this will be similar, or this will be same to all the contacts, the message which is delivered. For example, thank you dear customer. So if you want to send it with the customer name, go to CSV column. Here you will pick up a column. For the first variable, we need to add name, so I will add the name column. In the second variable, I will add the service. So in the preview, you can see, thank you, Chirag. So this is picking up the first entry, right? For a preview example, it will, so the text makes sense because it is in the first variable, we have mapped the name correctly. And in the second variable, we have mapped the service. If I switch it, you can see in the preview, so you cannot go wrong with this. The mapping part is not very difficult. You just need to understand this. Now here we need to upload the image. So this is a media template with the image part. The image that we uploaded previously was a sample image. Here we can change the image every time we are broadcasting. I will upload the image that I want to deliver. If the image is not uploaded, the template will not be delivered. Now I have two options: send now or schedule. Schedule means it is self-explained. You can broadcast later. So for example, if you want to send messages early morning and you're not available, then you can schedule it. I will proceed with the send now. Here, this is the last preview before you click on launch campaign. After this, the messages will start delivering. So here is the report. So this will be updated after 1 minute. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, depends upon the number of entries that we have. Now, after some time, the campaign report is synced. I'll just click anywhere to open the report. And here in the analytics, I can see out of the two numbers, one has already viewed your message and one message is not delivered. So here is the reason, message undeliverable. So whenever you see this error, this means the number is not registered on WhatsApp. I typed a random number and this is not registered. That's why the message is not delivered, right? And here I can see one message was read. I can see the date and exact time at which the customer viewed my the template message. If I just go to my WhatsApp account, here is the preview. You can see, thank you Chirag for being a part of journey. Here is the messages received, right? So we can follow the same procedure for videos and documents, and there are multiple different errors available. Sometimes you'll face a error of healthy ecosystem. Meta restricts the message delivery sometimes for certain numbers. So in the next video we'll see how we can retarget those users on which the message was failed. Thank you.